How to add company email in Outlook Mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add company email in Outlook Mobile. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to add company email in Outlook Mobile, these are the methods you can follow up if you want to do those. So for that, you can go to Outlook app and tap on this add account in your screen. And from here, you can go ahead and you should be finding this option. So you need to enter up your email address in order to continue with the process. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and choose the type of account you want to use, such as IMAP or POP3. So for example, you need to just go ahead and click on one of those. And once that is done, you need to enter up your password, your display name, and description. Once that is done, and once you filled up every other required information, you just need to tap on the check mark icon to complete that. And once that is done, once your server address and everything is provided, your company email will be added in Outlook Mobile. So that is how you basically add email in Outlook Mobile. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.